Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to open a Zelle account in the United States. And well, opening a Zelle account is actually quite simple. The only thing we need, or the only requirement, is to already have a US bank account. And well, here, for example, we have one at Bank of America. If we log in and then click on this particular option that clearly says Transfer Zelle or alternatively Zelle Transfer, we simply click right there and a prominent button will then appear that basically tells us to meticulously set up our Zelle account. And well, once it's completely set up and fully configured, the only essential information it will then ask us for is a valid phone number and a primary email address, okay? This process is pretty much exactly the same in virtually all the major banks across the entire United States that currently have Zelle services readily available. And well, once your account is fully prepared and completely ready, you simply choose the convenient option to either send or receive money in order to, effectively utilize your account's full capabilities. And that's it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.